Visibility is no longer a luxury in logistics, it's a necessity. This is SPI Logistics, and in this video, we explore how real-time visibility and IoT-enabled tracking are redefining efficiency, accuracy, and trust across the freight industry. Every minute in logistics counts. When shippers, carriers, and brokers can see where a shipment is, how it's performing, and when it's expected to arrive, they gain control over the unpredictable. That's where Internet of Things steps in, connecting trucks, trailers, and even individual assets to live data networks that update in real time. Real-time tracking provides a continuous data feed on shipment location, temperature, humidity, and handling conditions. This helps logistics teams reduce stockouts and overstocking by synchronizing live shipment data with warehouse systems, improve demand forecasting using accurate ETAs and delivery trends, minimize detention and dwell times through proactive scheduling. When inventory moves with visibility, the entire supply chain moves with confidence. With every sensor transmitting live performance data, brokers and shippers can identify risks before they escalate. Alerts can flag unexpected route deviations or temperature shifts for sensitive goods. Telematics data allows immediate responses to potential equipment issues or delays. Predictive models help forecast disruptions from weather, congestion, or driver behavior. Real-time visibility turns reactive problem-solving into proactive decision-making. Fleets today are more than vehicles, they're intelligent data sources. Sensors embedded in trucks and trailers continuously monitor metrics like tire pressure, fuel usage, and engine performance. This enables predictive maintenance while extending asset life and improving safety on the road. Adopting IoT-enabled visibility transforms operations. It means fewer surprises, better forecasting, and stronger relationships built on transparency and performance. Brokers using visibility platforms can offer shippers a premium experience, one based on data, reliability, and peace of mind. However, IT adoption brings its own challenges: device costs, data security, and integration complexity. As systems evolve, the industry is working towards standardized platforms that unify all tracking tools into a single, secure view of the supply chain. Leading logistics teams are now integrating real-time visibility platforms directly with their TMS systems. AI-enhanced analytics transform raw IoT data into actionable insights, from predicting delays to automatically updating shippers and carriers. These technologies create a smarter, more responsive freight network. From predictive maintenance to live shipment tracking, IT is setting a new standard in freight visibility. It's not just about knowing where your freight is, it's about knowing what's coming next. Subscribe to SPI Logistics for more educational insights into how technology is shaping the future of freight brokerage and supply chain innovation.